I know it's a teapot, but needs must. Good morning. Can you hear the muezzin? I do enjoy listening to the muezzin over my coffee. I'm not fasting. Sorry. All set and ready to go. Look what I find. It's always the day after I pump my tyres. The good news is it's an old patch that's fell, so I can just throw a new tube in. Yes! Woohoo! It's flat and the forecast is for very little wind. Perfect. Seaside picnic. I've got a potato filled burek and my first baklava of the trip. Yummy. Yum. It's crunchy on top, gooey underneath with pistachios in it. Delish. Just some sheep grazing on the central reservation, because why not? This day is the dream! Despite starting with a puncture, which is holding up all right, but I'm managing 20 k's plus an hour for like the first time in Turkey. Beautiful conditions. What a day! I've been met again. Merhaba! I've been taken out for dinner. Oh my word. This sound signifies that I get to start eating Bafra Pide and all the accoutrements. My gosh.
It's the video.
Oh yeah, the video, yeah. We've just
From Turkey.
Thank you. Teşekkür ederim. We've just had the famous Bafra ice cream. I'm absolutely stuffed, but there's always room for more tea. Teşekkür ederim.